How to recover deleted Instagram posts from years ago. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Photos or Gallery on your device. Here, search for Collection of Instagram and click on Instagram's collection. After you've clicked on Instagram collection, you can scroll through it and you will find pictures or videos from years ago in here. As you post on Instagram, it will directly save it to your gallery in this page. As there is no option to go to delete, as it deletes after 30 days. And this is our recover deleted Instagram post from years ago. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.